Gay and lesbian couples across Indiana are closely watching arguments in the Supreme Court cases since same-sex marriage isn't legal here.
Our TV6 reporter Chris Prophet tonight on the impact of the court's ruling on married couples who say they're being treated like second-class citizens.
Scott Trout and his longtime partner Jeff Jones were married in Vermont, one of 9 states in the District of Columbia that legalized same-sex marriage. But the Indianapolis Couples Union isn't recognized here.
Our relationship, according to law, is business partners, basically, not family. We're not related, so.
Scott and Jeff are like millions of Americans closely watching as the Supreme Court hears 2 landmark cases that could lead to an array of possible decisions affecting same-sex marriage. From leaving in place traditional marriage laws now on the books in most states like Indiana, to making same-sex marriage a fundamental right under the Constitution.
More likely it'll be sorted out state by state so that this will have an impact down the road, but not immediately.
Observers believe the High Court will likely validate the law in those states that offer same-sex marriage, giving couples access to federal benefits and rights. Supporters of same-sex marriage laws say that the issue boils down to equality.
I don't think Judge Roberts wants his court to go down. I mean, it will be known as the Roberts Court, to go down as being on the wrong side of history.
If the court does leave same-sex marriage laws up to states, Indiana lawmakers won't take action on a proposed constitutional amendment banning same-sex marriage until next year.
But when it comes to the law, to dealing with the government, we're asking that we be treated as any other American couple, married, gay, straight, or whatever.
Marriage has been redefined in America. The question is whether the High Court will recognize that fundamental shift in attitudes. Chris Prophet, RTV6.
Same-sex marriage supporters will gather at the State House tomorrow night beginning at 6 in what's called a Light the Way rally.